see? I see one bird up in the tree. Ready? One, yeah. Okay, here we go. Blue bird, what do you see? I see two birds up in a tree. Ready?
1, 2.
Good job. Blue bird, what do you see? I see three birds up in a tree.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Blue bird, what do you see? I see four birds up in a tree.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job, buddy. Blue bird, what do you see? I see five birds up in a tree.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five. Good job.
Good job, buddy. You're doing a good job counting.
Yeah.
And do that one.
And Bible story time.
Yeah, it's time for the Bible story now.
I love you. Good night.
Say night, night, Mommy.
Mommy, we want Mommy.
You want Mommy to read your Bible story?
Yeah.
Okay.